So the first step is to open the computer. Most computers can you either have a flathead or a Phillips head screws in the sides. This one has easy, kind of large finger screws, so you can easily get inside of the computer. And once you get inside, I went ahead and unplugged the fan and the CD drive, so I can easily get behind into here. You're going to look for slots that look like this, kind of long with white clips on either side. Then you're going to want to take the RAM and then line the little divot right here up with the divide. I'm trying to get a good angle. A divide right here in between the two sides of this little slit. And then you're going to want to put the RAM in the slit. Push it in, push on both sides to make sure not to break the RAM. And then you're going to want to fold the little white clip up to lock the RAM into place, so it's nice and sturdy. And then you're just going to do the same thing for the other stick. Then you're just going to want to put the case back on. And put the screws back in. I'll do that later. And you're ready to go.